At this point, we want to look at a question centered on empirical and molecular formula of organic compounds. A hydrocarbon X has a molar mass of 26 and a carbon atom percentage of 92.3%. What kind of substance is it? The question is, we want to know the molecular formula of this hydrocarbon. First thing first, we should know that in a hydrocarbon, there are only two elements present. A hydrocarbon is a substance that contains only carbon and what? Hydrogen. So the general formula for hydrocarbon is CXHY. We do not know what is X and we do not know what is Y. And in this case, now the element present, you have carbon and hydrogen. The percentage composition of each of the elements is given to us. Carbon is 92.3%, so we have 92.3. And when we subtract 92.3 from 100, we will have the remaining percentage for hydrogen, that is 7.7%. Now, the percentage composition divided by what you call the what? Relative atomic mass, percentage divided by relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass for carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, so we got 92.3 over 12, and this is 7.7 over 1. And when we look at this, this is going to give us approximately 7.7 to 7.7. So, when we divide through the simplest ratio, we are going to have 1 to ratio 1. And what it means is that the empirical formula, which is the simplest formula showing the ratio of combination of atoms, is CH. This is the empirical formula. But it is not this formula that we needed, because the question demands the actual formula. So the empirical formula multiplied by unknown value n should be equal to the relative molecular mass. They gave us the molar mass of the hydrocarbon, that is 26. If the molar mass is 26, we have CH all into n is equal to 26. Carbon is 12 plus hydrogen is 1. All into n is equal to 26. So we are now having 13n is equal to 26, and the n is equal to 26 over 13, which is 2. What it means is that the actual formula is the empirical formula multiplied by 2, and that will be equal to C2H2. So the correct answer is C2H2.